What are they doing up there? They're saving homeowners money. They're helping homeowners take control of their energy bills. They're doing their part to save the planet. With a solar power system from Solar Energy World, one of the nation's largest installers, serving thousands of communities throughout the eastern United States. They're putting more than a decade's experience to work, with more than 12,000 installations performed by our trusted full-time employees. Save money and the planet. Call Solar Energy World today, because tomorrow matters.